Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Rafe West, and I haven't made a success tip video in a while, so that's what this one's going to be, a success tip video. All right, and so the principle I want to talk about this evening is, it's called the law of reciprocity. The law of reciprocity, and the key factor that will put this law of reciprocity on steroids. Okay, so basically it goes like this. The law of reciprocity is, when you give, you will get back. Okay, when you give, you will get back. Okay, but there's an important key to this law. And the important key is, you can't expect anything in return. Okay? You can't expect anything in return. So where people go wrong with this is that they give expecting something in return. It has to be selfless. You have to give without expecting anything in return. Okay? It doesn't matter in the long run or in the short term. You just can't expect anything in return. So that's the key to that law. And a lot of people fail on this because they feel that, I don't know what it is, I think it's ego based. The ego gets in the way, or you feel, maybe some people feel it's a sign of weakness to give. Why give, right? A lot of people have that attitude. Why give unless I get something in return? But it's one of the laws of the universe, and that's the way it works. Okay. So yeah, I just wanted to bring you that quick success tip there. I haven't done one of those in a while. I have others. Check out my other videos. Give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Okay, because I shoot these videos out every now and then, and I enjoy doing them without anything in return. I ask for your like and to consider subscribing, but I don't expect it. So yeah, I thank you to all the subscribers that I do have, all the ones that do return and watch. So yeah, let me know any comments down below what you think about that small tip I gave you. And I'm just keeping my eyes open, not only for the traffic, but I saw 2 raccoons. I'm in New York City, and I saw 2 giant raccoons crossing the street together here. And I made a sound. One heard and saw me, so it retreated. It was following the other one across the street, actually. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. How do you guys put this law to use? Do you give without expecting something back? Because if you do, you will be blessed. That's how it works. At first it was hard for me, but the more you do it, the easier it shall be. Okay? There's a lot of critters here in Brooklyn. Possums. I saw a possum eating cat food, and I saw 2 sizable raccoons right in this area. Actually, I saw them. So maybe we'll see them again. I'll take you another little bit with me, as maybe we'll see them again. And did you know that a raccoon's lifespan is only 1 to 2 years? That's it. Tops. Maximum. So yeah, it was right around here that I saw them. 2 biggies. They're pretty sizable. So anyway, I don't want to get off track. That is the success tip for you guys. All right, I will see you guys another time. Take care. All right, everybody, peace.